We're heading north on the New River.
When they found this river, for them it was new. The British people called this river the New River.
The water was like glass.
There's something orange right up on the bushes. It's a big iguana.
Shortly after we passed an abandoned sugar factory, the rain poured. The Brenning family and I sheltered under a tarp, adding to the hilarity of our adventure. We stopped at Maracas and Orange Walk and watched it rain.
Right off the light, we got two bats.
Oh.
See them?
Yeah. Then we passed a Mennonite community. With the rain stopping, the birds started appearing. We snaked narrow stretches of the river, then it opened up to a lagoon as we arrived at Lamanai, where we were greeted by howler monkeys in the tropical forest. As we walked to our first temple, we learned Lamanai means submerged crocodile. It's one of the oldest continuously occupied Mayan sites in Belize.
This is a nose. You can barely see them, but we got 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines. These represent teeth. A long time ago, big teeth used to come down, those broke off. We got the right eye, we got the next side of the cheek, and we got the right ear. You want to know a secret? The Maya built symmetrical. This structure has 2 jaguar faces. The archaeologists called it the Jaguar Temple.
We hiked up to the top of Jaguar Temple to take in the view. Next, we headed over to the Royal Palace. I couldn't help think that it looks like something straight out of a movie. We made quick stops at Stella 9 Temple and a ball court where liquid mercury was discovered under the giant marker. I stood in awe of the High Temple. At over 100 feet high, it would have been one of the tallest structures in Mesoamerica. We climbed a wooden staircase.
Represented the god of rain, thunder, and lightning. We know the god as Cha'ak.
After a lesson on the Mayan rain god, we scrambled up the top stairs.
Takes a little effort to get to the top, but man, the view is worth it.
It's definitely worth the effort. The Temple of the Mask was our last stop. The Olmec faces flanking the staircase make it a unique Mayan temple.
That is not Maya. That is Olmec. Who were the Olmec? The mother culture of the Maya. Where did the Olmec people live? They lived in Mexico. They lived in a place called La Venta. If you go to La Venta, you're going to see lots of faces like this. I want you to understand what I'm trying to explain. This is a Maya site that has Olmec faces. Why they built that? We don't know. We can't read that stone.
We climbed to the top for one last look of Lamanai. The boat ride back was just as adventurous as our ride to Lamanai.
There's a crocodile in Belize called an alligator.
Here's a better view of that croc. We saw more iguanas in the trees.
Oh, look at those teeth! He's just looking at us.
And that's croc number 2 for us. We got some blue sky on the way back and got to watch the hand crank ferry cross the river. What an adventure as we cruised into Orchid Bay.